Hi friends, I'm going to show you how you can make in between $20 to $500 per day, literally copy pasting motivational speeches and converting them into YouTube videos that you can upload to your channel, and actually you can monetize these videos. Okay, so watch this video until the end because I'm going to share with you these steps. I'm going to show you the method that you can apply, and also it's something you can do and you can earn that kind of money. Okay, if it's your first time here, my name is Onesimus and welcome to my channel. You can consider subscribing. For the returning viewers, thank you for the support, and let me jump right into it. I show you some examples because the method I'm talking about, it's something that has been tried and tested. It's working, it's legit, and it's very practical, as you're going to see in this video. For today's demonstration, I'm going to use a channel called Above Inspiration, and let me show you some statistics as we continue so that you can understand what I'm talking about. And I'm going to use a website called Social Blade, and in this website we are going to see some data, some statistics of this channel I'm talking about, Above Inspiration. And you can see that the channel makes in between let's say $900 up to 15,000 per month. Total earning estimate is about $184,000 per year. And when you scroll down, you can see the breakdown, which is giving the details per day earnings, just the range. And you can see some days between $27 to $400, a range of between sometimes even $66 to $1,000 per day. And you can also find yourself making this kind of money. Let's look at the channel on YouTube. This is the channel Above Inspiration. You can see it has like 2.5 million subscribers. Again, you can see the videos they have. They are more to do with inspiration. You can see that the views, crazy views, okay, that 3 millions, 14 million, 8.7 million, 8 million. So you can see the channel is quite active in terms of the videos and creating the videos. And I want to show you exactly how you can create videos like this. And basically what we'll be doing, I'm going to look for free speeches, and then we convert these speeches into this kind of videos. Of course, there are different niches that you can venture into. You may decide you're going to create motivational videos, you're going to create like meditation videos, you're going to create like self-affirmation videos, the different niches you can. So this method is going to give you an idea and also the step-by-step guide of how you can get to do these things, because they're easy, as you're going to see. Now, for today's example, I'll just search for a speech that I'm going to convert into a video that we can use in a YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to need three kind of resources. I'll need a speech, I'll need some videos, okay, free stock videos that I'm going to combine with this speech. I'll also need background music. So these are just the three things I need for me to be able to create this kind of a video. And you can see the channel is quite huge, 2.5 million subscribers. It's a very huge number. Okay, so for the speech, there are so many ways you can get the speech, but I prefer archive.org. When you go to archive.org, I'm going to search for a speech that I can use to convert it and make it a video. And let's say I search for motivational speech. Okay, I'm going to get quite a number of them, and from these results I can just drill further and filter to audio. I just want audio only, and then I can filter by weekly views. Okay, so for this demonstration I'm just going to use the first option I have here. Just click on it. It's going to load the preview page, and we can listen to it a bit. We hear what kind of speech it is.
I have the pleasure to present to you Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
Okay, so this is the speech now. by Dr. Martin Luther King that I'm going to use to create a YouTube video. Scroll down the page, you'll see the download options. Okay, go to MP3. And then one thing I can tell you when you're looking for these speeches, uh, use one that does not have the background music, because now you want to customize that speech uniquely to your channel, and you can use your choice of music as the background music. Okay, these are the files that we have, mp3 files. So download one. I had already downloaded the file, so I have it here with me. Okay, so to save time, I'm not going to download another copy. Okay, so we have the speech. I've gotten the speech from archive.org. The next resource I will need is some videos. I will get that from a website called Pixels. Okay, here you can get royalty-free videos and photos that you can use for your YouTube channel. So I'll go to videos, and then I can search, let's say, motivational video, and you can see there is quite a number of them. Okay, so many of them, so many videos that you can download. Okay, to save time, I had already downloaded some videos I'm gonna use in today's demonstration, so I'm not going to download another copy. Now, another resource number 3 I will need is some background music, and this one I'm going to get from Pixabay. Again, here you can get royalty-free music that you can use in your channel. And I'll switch to music. Then I'm gonna search motivational. Okay, and we have quite a number of tracks. I had already downloaded some, so to save time, again, I'm not going to download another one. I have the files here. Okay, so the 3 resources we need to create that kind of a video I was talking about, we have them. I have the speech, I have some free stock videos, I have free background music, that I'm going to combine all of them into one to make it a video for my channel. Okay, now I'm going to use an application called Shortcut to combine all these resources into one video. It's free to use. You can download it from the internet. It's easy to learn, and you can make free videos. Okay, so I'm very quickly going to show you how I'm gonna combine those 3 items to make a video for the channel. Click on the playlist. I will go to my videos, and then I'm gonna select all these, drag and drop them in. Okay, so everything is there, and then I need to add some tracks on the timeline. I need a video track for the stock videos that we have downloaded. I'll need an audio track for the speech. I will also need another audio track for the background music. So let me start by adding the speech. So you can scroll down to the audio tracks area, and then I will just drag and drop the speech. There we have the speech. Okay,
I have the pleasure to present to you.
all right, cool. Then I can now use the videos that I just downloaded to add them to the timeline as well. Okay, so I can have that one, just drag and drop. I can use this one. So you can have as many stock videos as possible, as many video clips as possible to add to your the video that you are creating. But for this demonstration, let me just use these 3. I have that one. You can keep on repeating these ones, or you can have several unique videos from the website I've shown you, and then you can just download as many as possible that you can use in the the video that you're creating. For the purposes of demonstration, I'm just going to trim this speech to shorten it a bit because I just want to give you the concept and so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So I'm going to trim up to this point. Let me just cut it and then highlight that part, press X on the keyboard, and then I delete that. Okay, so I'm going to use that as the demonstration. I can just play so that we hear how it's gonna sound like.
I have the pleasure to present to you Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
Okay. The next thing I'm gonna add is the background music. Scroll down to the audio track, and I have the music here. This is the music I'm gonna use for this video. Okay. Let me also trim it to make sure that it's the same length with the video. Up to that point, I'm gonna cut and delete this part. So we can now play and hear how it's gonna sound.
I have the pleasure to present to you Dr. Martin Luther King.
I probably can reduce the background music volume so that we can hear the speech clearly. So select the background music, go to filters, okay? Select the add button, search volume. You can reduce to your preference and then let me play. And that's it. Our video is complete and ready for export to upload on YouTube. So what you do once you've done combining the video, so I've just put together three things: the speech, the free stock videos I have downloaded, and the background music. Okay, so for you to export, just go to export button, and then here make sure that you search YouTube. Okay, and then you can export the file. I have already exported this video, so let me show you a preview of it so that you can see how it looks like.
I have the pleasure to present to you Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. I am happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
Basically, that's all you need to do, and your video is ready for upload to your YouTube channel. I used this channel just as an example to show you what you need to do, the things that you need to observe, how you can create videos like this. But now make sure that you have like unique pictures, unique titles, and things like that, and you are good to go. Again, I keep reminding people that when you're talking about something like online business or working online, it's something that you keep on growing on as time goes by. So it's not something that you're going to start today and then tomorrow you're making profits. No, it doesn't work that way. It's something that you're going to do with time as you grow with it, with consistency, and you will find yourself making very awesome things here. So that's it for today. If you like this content, you can like, you can share with someone. If you have comments for me, just put it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.